Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of smart home cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Robot Vacuum Mop. This incredible machine is a game changer when it comes to keeping your floors spotless, and we can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the convenience of this double-duty cleaning powerhouse. The Roomba Combo i5 seamlessly switches from vacuuming to mopping with just a quick switch of the bin, saving you time and effort. When it comes to performance, this little robot is a true powerhouse. With its 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, it can handle pet hair, dirt, and debris on any floor type. Plus, its smart mapping technology allows you to direct it to clean specific rooms at your command. The Roomba Combo i5 is also designed for efficiency and convenience, with a mop pad that tackles tough messes and a compatible cleaning solution to leave your floors sparkling clean. What's more, this robot is compatible with voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, making it easier than ever to keep your home clean with just a simple voice command. And if that's not enough, it's also compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, giving you up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. So, if you're tired of spending your valuable time on tedious floor cleaning, it's time to upgrade to the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Robot Vacuum Mop. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing cleaning machine today. Don't miss out on the chance to make cleaning a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart home tech reviews.